Today I am reviewing the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is more than just a temperature control device. It's an intelligent, energy-saving companion designed to make your home more comfortable while reducing your utility bills. As an Energy Star certified programmable Wi-Fi thermostat, it's engineered to help you save up to 23% annually on heating and cooling costs. It achieves this by learning your schedule and automatically adjusting your home's temperature when you're away, then optimizing comfort when you're back. This smart adaptability means you don't have to think about constantly tweaking settings. The thermostat simply works in the background, ensuring that your home is always at the perfect balance of efficiency and comfort. One of the standout qualities of the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is its compatibility. It works with 85% of home heating and cooling systems, including gas, oil, electric, dual fuel, forced air, heat pumps, and even boilers. To make things easier, Ecobee offers a simple online compatibility checker so you can confirm before purchasing. Installation is also straightforward, designed to be an easy DIY project for most homeowners. Even if your home doesn't have a C-wire, you can use the Ecobee Power Extender Kit, sold separately, to get up and running without rewiring your system. For those who value a seamless smart home experience, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential integrates with all major ecosystems, including Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. This means you can adjust your home's temperature simply by using your voice or your preferred smart assistant, no matter which platform you're loyal to. The user interface is another area where this thermostat excels. You can control it directly from its vibrant color touchscreen or remotely through the Ecobee app, which offers full access to your settings and schedules whether you're at home or on the go. The app also allows you to monitor your energy usage over time, giving you insights into how your system is performing and where you can save even more. To further enhance its capabilities, you can pair the thermostat with Ecobee's optional SmartSensor, sold separately. These sensors can be placed in the rooms that matter most to you, measuring both temperature and occupancy. This ensures that your heating and cooling system is prioritizing comfort where it's needed, instead of simply reacting to the thermostat's location. If, for example, you spend most of your evening in the living room, but your thermostat is located in a hallway, the SmartSensor makes sure the living room is at the perfect temperature without wasting energy elsewhere. The built-in Eco Plus Smart features also deserve a mention. These include indoor humidity detection, a scheduling assistant, and time-of-use energy optimization, which preheats or precools your home when energy is less expensive, reducing your costs during peak hours. Over time, these features work together to maximize efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Ecobee also provides free software updates, so your smart thermostat Essential continues to improve and gain new features long after it's installed. Overall, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants to reduce energy costs, enjoy the convenience of remote and voice control, and experience a more personalized approach to home comfort. It's thoughtfully designed for compatibility, ease of installation, and future-proof performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to integrate it into your smart home system, or simply someone who wants to save money without constantly fiddling with temperature settings, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential delivers on every promise.